All right. Lalu Prasad Yadav, remember, held a press conference for the first time earlier today after the entire unravelling of the Mahagathbandhan. And he made that very specific charge against Nitish Kumar that when he and Tejasvi spoke to him, he told him that he had not asked for a resignation by Tejasvi. Listen in.
कुमार के यहाँ तेजस्वी को हम भेजे थे पहले कि कैबिनेट मीटिंग के बाद जाके पूछ लो कि क्या बात है। हाँ नीतीश कुमार तो कुछ हम लोगों ने तो कोई इस्तीफा मांगा नहीं है, हम तो कोई इस्तीफा मांगा नहीं है। मैं भी फोन किया था, नीतीश ने यही कहा कि हम लोग तो कोई इस्तीफा नहीं मांगे हैं, ये सब प्रेस वाला चलाता है, चलाने दीजिए, इस पर ध्यान हम देते ही नहीं है, देखते ही नहीं है। ये नीतीश कुमार बोला।
All right. So from threats of protesting, of exposing him in front of the public, to taking this matter to the Supreme Court legally, and also, charging him with misleading the alliance. Several charges against Nitish Kumar. Our news editor Deepti Sachdeva is tracking developments very closely in Patna. Deepti, it seems that the Congress and the RJD are going to up the ante against Nitish Kumar, because Lalu Prasad Yadav has now just tweeted saying that Janta और मालिक सबके कर्मों का लेखा जोखा रखते हैं, धीरज रखिए. Basically saying that you will pay for your actions.
Oh yes, and not just that, Shivani, there's another subtle message. He says, wait and watch. This is the very first reaction that we had also picked up from the RJD camp ever since, the news of Nitish's exit really came up. And look at what's happening, because Lalu Prasad Yadav, Shivani, is a fighter. He's a fighter politician. And you have to give it to him. You never know what is a new trick he might just, pull out of his hat. And that's the reason why he's now going to be rushing back from Ranchi to Patna. This is a big important information that we are getting for our viewers here, that Lalu Prasad Yadav, who's essentially in Ranchi, he was supposed to be in Ranchi for the next 3 days because of the hearing in the Fodder scam, now decides to rush back to Patna this evening itself before the RJD party actually meets. And this, Shivani, is very important. Why? Because it's coming right before that trust vote that the JDU and the BJP combined are supposed to take at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Not just this, Manoj Jha, the RJD spokesperson, while speaking to us a short while ago, says that 48 of the JDU MLAs, he makes a big claim. He says that they are in touch with us. He says that Nitish Kumar ने उनको पिंजरे में कैद कर रखा है, उनके पास phones नहीं है. You free them and they will all come to us. So look at the mathematics. At the moment, the JDU is sitting good with 71. And the BJP has 53. But if the RJD claims are to be believed, and if these are 48 MLAs with them, what will happen? That is important. Number two, remember, Sharad Yadav this evening has called a meeting at 5 with his close and more, JDU MLAs who could be perhaps, could be willing to rock the boat. That's the sense we are picking up. Though sources close again to Sharad Yadav do indicate that at the moment he hasn't made up his mind. But yes,
right,
he's uncomfortable because he doesn't want to return back to the BJP fold. So there are some bit of teething trouble even as we look up to that trust vote tomorrow. But Lalu Yadav coming back, being a part of that important RJD meeting today does, make an important statement, Shivani.